Welcome to this video tutorial. We're going to be working with insert ribbon. Here we have slide. We can get more slide from here. Getting the featured slide, the title slide. If we need a title slide, I'm going to click one. A title with a comment with a content, I'm going to click one. So here I need a blank I need a blank slide and I've gotten one. So I'm going to leave it like this. Now moving to the table. I want to insert a table. I can come through here or come through insert to insert a table. So these are the table I can select from here. If I need a table that is more than this, I'll come to insert table. Then I'm going to give the system instruction of the numbers of column I need. If I need 50 column and 2 row, I'm going to select it. As you can see, this is the number of the table I order. Good. Now coming back to the insert, and I have picture. I have online picture, the screenshot, photo album. All these are under image. But before we walk into that, I would like to talk more on the table. So I'm going to delete this table and insert another table that will be easily work with. So now I'm going to select 4 column and a 3 row table. Here is the header table. So I'm going to call this a serial number. I'm going to call this a name for the table. Name, phone number, address. So here I'm going to highlight this, then come to the home menu and instruct the system to put in a number. Yes, I think I have a number here. It's not showing. Okay, yes, it's showing. Then drag this a little bit to get more space for the name, and I can drag this from this head to make the table more bigger. Good. So I can drag these two. Then why I start inputting my data. Here I have the list of data, the data of 5 individual, their name, the phone number, and the address. So this is your table. So now I'm going to walk you through the table tools, table design, and table layout. So on the table design, this is the default or selected design for this template. So now you can change it here. You can decide to go with any of this template or create my own table design template. So I think I'm okay with this or this or this. Let's look for, okay, this is fine. Now the table style option, I have header. That's why the box is checked. When I take it off, it take off the design of the header. So I have header. I don't have total. Then I have rounded row here. Do I have a first column to be preserved? Do I have the last column to be preserved as well? So you can see the column are changing. Do I have the branded column to be separated? So we have the shading. You can decide to change the color of the shading to any of these. The first header is shade, so you can decide to change the shade color to any of these. Come here to change the color. So we have the border. The line on the table is the border. You can change the line. You can take it off. You can make you can take it off by clicking no border, or put it back by clicking all border. You can decide to use outside border only to the table. So all you need to do is to highlight all the table when you want to use this. So let's use no border. You can see all the border has gone. We can decide to use the outside border. We can decide to use all border, and we can change the border style here. So this is the border style. Click and drag to draw one. You can change the pen color to any of these color of your choice. As you can see, you can erase a line. You can decide to erase a line from the table, and you can draw each back. So click and drag to draw each back. Click and drag. Let's click and drag to draw each back. So here the system draw another table across the table. Um, Moving forward to the layout you can use it to break the table, insert more table, or delete the table. If I need to insert more table above, all I need to do is to click here. If I need it below here, I'll click here. If I need it by the left, I'm going to click here. And if I need it by the right here, I'm going to click here. So I'm going to delete this. I don't need the table. Yes, I'm going to take it off. No, I'm deleting the row. Delete the row. It's taking everything away. Why? Delete. Let's delete the column. Good. Okay. Control Z undo to return it back to the normal. And I can decide to split the table into two. That's where the split coming. Can decide to split from column 1 to cell 2. These are the split. So this is the table height and weight and width. So I can increase or decrease the width. So this is the table alignment. We have this data on the right. I can take it to the center. I can take it to the center, and we have the test direction to move the information clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we can send it to the back, to the front, just like we did in the object. Thank you for staying through. We are going to be working with the images on the next video tutorial. Thank you.